How to change space URL on Quora. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your space URL easily and fast. First thing, log into your account. This is the homepage of Quora, as you can see. Now go to your space from here, and as you can see, this is my space. It's called Jacob Mark Space, and this is the link URL, as you can see. Now I want to change it. All what you have to do is simple. Go to settings down here, and now you will find the URL option. You can now change the URL easily from here. For example, I'm gonna add one and click save changes. Now the URL, as you can see, it's changed successfully. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.